There's a wild predator that stalks the snowy forests and Rocky Mountains in near silence. Most people will never see one in the wild, and if they do, it'll likely be a fleeting shadow among the trees. Meet the lynx, one of the most elusive and mysterious wild cats in the world. With tufted ears, piercing eyes, and a solitary lifestyle, this silent hunter hides many secrets. In this video, you'll discover the rare and fascinating facts that make lynxes truly exceptional creatures. Lynxes can leap an astonishing 6 meters in a single bound. That's longer than a car. Their powerful back legs help them ambush prey with deadly precision. There are 4 main species of lynx: the Eurasian lynx, Canada lynx, Iberian lynx, and bobcat. While they share common features, each has adapted to its specific habitat in unique ways. The Eurasian lynx is the largest of the group, with males weighing up to 30 kilograms and measuring over a meter in body length, not including the short tail. Lynxes are excellent tree climbers and swimmers, though they generally avoid water unless necessary. These skills help them escape danger or track elusive prey. They're not scavengers. Lynxes only eat freshly killed animals. Even in hard times, they won't turn to carrion, unlike many other predators. Lynxes have extremely wide paws covered in thick fur, acting like snowshoes in winter. This gives them the ability to walk on top of deep snow without sinking. Their eyesight is incredibly sharp. A lynx can detect a small rodent at a distance of up to 75 meters, even in low-light conditions. Their night vision is also exceptional. Despite their stealth and hunting prowess, lynxes are incredibly shy and rarely vocal. They are almost completely silent outside the mating season. Some species, like the Canada lynx, rely almost entirely on one prey species, the snowshoe hare. When hare populations crash, lynx numbers decline shortly afterward. They usually hunt at dusk or night, relying on keen senses and patience. Their prey includes rabbits, rodents, birds, and even young deer or roe. Unlike foxes or wolves, lynxes do not dig dens. Instead, they shelter under fallen trees, among roots, or in rock crevices, choosing places that are hard to spot. Young lynxes are born blind and helpless, usually in litters of 2 or 3. Their eyes open after about 10 to 12 days, and they begin exploring outside the den by 3 months old. Lynx mothers raise their kittens alone, teaching them how to hunt over several months before the young venture out on their own. The Iberian lynx was once the most endangered feline in the world. Its population dropped below 100 individuals, but conservation efforts in Spain and Portugal have begun to turn things around. A lynx's tail is very short, a signature trait of the species. It ends in a black tip and measures just 10 to 30 centimeters depending on the species. Lynxes are highly territorial and solitary animals. Each adult maintains a large home range and avoids other lynxes outside of the breeding season. They use scent markings and scratch trees to define territory. A male lynx may patrol an area of over 100 square kilometers. Their ear tufts, those elegant black tips, may play a role in communication or hearing enhancement, but scientists are still uncertain about their exact purpose. In folklore, the lynx often symbolizes insight, mystery, and the ability to see the unseen, fitting for a creature so rarely spotted in the wild. Lynxes are extremely cautious. They observe unfamiliar objects or scents from a distance and avoid contact with humans whenever possible. They are capable of surviving in harsh mountainous terrain where food is scarce, often following large prey for days before striking at the perfect moment. Their thick winter coats are not just warm, they are incredibly soft and dense. In warmer months, the coat sheds and becomes lighter and thinner. Lynxes can live up to 15 years in the wild, though many don't survive that long due to human threats like poaching, habitat loss, and road accidents. In some cultures, lynxes are seen as guardians of the forest, able to move between worlds, a fitting legend for such a stealthy predator. A lynx's footprints are round and wide, often mistaken for those of a large dog, but unlike canines, lynxes retract their claws while walking. Lynx kittens stay with their mother for up to a year before becoming independent. This long parental care is unusual among wild cats. The bobcat, the smallest lynx species, is found in North America and is incredibly adaptable, living everywhere from deserts to suburbs. Lynxes are making a comeback in parts of Europe. Thanks to conservation programs, they've been reintroduced to areas like the Alps, Carpathians, and the Balkans. Though solitary, lynxes may communicate during mating season with yowls, growls, and other sounds that carry through the forest. They may go for days without eating, then gorge on a large kill, which they often cover and return to over several nights. Despite their size and hunting skills, adult lynxes have few natural enemies, though young kittens may fall prey to wolves, bears, or large birds of prey. They're quiet, graceful, and almost invisible, yet they play a crucial role in maintaining balance in their ecosystems. The lynx is not just a hunter, but a symbol of wild beauty in ancient forests. We may not see them often, but they're out there, watching, listening, thriving in the silence. If you enjoyed discovering the secret life of the lynx, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments, which fact surprised you the most.